operations, the order in which they are performed is important in order to avoid confusion. A standard rule called the BODMAS is observed in simplifying these operations. In this chapter, we will study about rules for simplifications. Rules for simplifications. 1. A standard rule called the BODMAS is observed in simplifying these operations. The letter of the word BODMAS stands for B, meaning brackets. O means of, which means multiplication. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. And S means subtraction. 2. When we group two or more numbers together, we use four kinds of brackets. 1. Simple brackets or round brackets or parentheses. 2. Braces or curly brackets. 3. Square brackets. 4. This is a line which is drawn above all the numbers grouped under it. It is called a line bracket or vinculum. 3. We remove the brackets in this order: line bracket, round brackets, curly brackets and square brackets. 4. The operations within the brackets are worked out to get one number within the bracket. 5. Brackets are removed by multiplying the number within the bracket by the sign and number outside. 6. The sign rule for multiplication is plus into plus equals plus. Minus into minus equals plus. Therefore, product of like signs is plus. Minus into plus equals minus. Plus into minus equals minus. Therefore, product of unlike signs is minus. We have followed the order division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, DMAS, so far in the process of simplification. Sometimes we may need to add before we divide or perform some other operation before the one given in our DMAS rule. In such cases, we use brackets. The operation to be done first is placed within the brackets. Example, find the product of the sum of 4 and 8 and the difference of 9 and 7. The mathematical expression for this statement is open bracket 4 plus 8 close bracket multiplied by open bracket 9 minus 7 closed bracket. Here the operation in the brackets is to be done first. Add 4 plus 8, which is 12, and subtract 9 minus 7, which is 2. Then multiply 12 into 2, which is 24. Therefore, 4 plus 8 into brackets multiplied by 9 minus 7 into brackets equals 24. Here, addition and subtraction are done before multiplication. Sometimes we have to group many operations. We need to use more than one bracket. Here too, we follow an order: line bracket, round brackets, curly brackets and square brackets. The line bracket is not often used. The most commonly used bracket is the round bracket. Example 1. Simplify 10 minus 8 divided by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 6. Remember that division comes before multiplication. First divide 8 divided by 4, which is 2. And then multiply 2 into 6, which is 12. Then add 10 plus 12, which is 22. And then subtract 22 minus 2, which is 20. Therefore, 10 minus 8 divided by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 6 equals 20. To simplify, 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 7 divided by 3 by 4 plus 8 by 21. For that, multiply 2 by 7 with the reciprocal of 3 by 4, which is 2 by 7 multiplied by 4 by 3, which is 8 by 21. And then multiply 8 by 21 into 1 by 3, which is 8 by 63. Then add 8 by 63 plus 8 by 21. For that, first find the LCM of 63 and 21. Here, the LCM of 63 and 21 is 63. So, change the denominator to a common denominator 63. Therefore, 8 multiplied by 3 divided by 21 multiplied by 3 equals 24 by 63. Then to add 8 by 63 plus 8 by 21. It is enough to add 8 by 63 plus 24 by 63, which is 32 by 63. Therefore, 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 7 divided by 3 by 4 plus 8 by 21 equals 32 by 63. Remember that addition comes before subtraction. Example 1. Simplify 18 minus 4 plus 6. First add 18 plus 6, which is 24. Then subtract 24 minus 4, which is 20. Therefore, 18 minus 4 plus 6 equals 20. 2. Simplify 29.3 plus 3.5 minus 1.2. Add 29.3 plus 3.5, which is 32.8. Then subtract 32.8 minus 1.2, which is 31.6. Therefore, 29.3 plus 3.5 minus 1.2 equals 31.6. Remember that multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. Example 1. Simplify 12 multiplied by 2 plus 4 minus 9. First multiply 12 into 2, which is 24. Then add 24 plus 4, which is 28. And then subtract 28 minus 9, which is 19. Therefore, 12 multiplied by 2 plus 4 minus 9 equals 19. To simplify 7.2 minus 1.5 multiplied by 2 plus 1.8. First, multiply 1.5 into 2, which is 3.0. Then add 7.2 plus 1.8, which is 9. And then subtract 9.0 minus 3.0, which is 6.0. Therefore, 7.2 minus 1.5 multiplied by 2 plus 1.8 equals 6.0. 3. Simplify 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 10. First multiply 1 by 3 into 3 by 10, which is 1 by 10. Then add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. For that, first find the LCM of 2 and 10. Here, LCM of 2 and 10 is 10. Then change the denominators to a common denominator 10. So, to add 1 by 2 and 1 by 10, it is enough to add 5 by 10 and 1 by 10, which is 6 by 10. Here, 2 is a common factor. So, cancelling 2, we get 3 by 5. Therefore, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 10, which is equal to 3 by 5.